Bang Shu-Swen, it's another World Cup final medal for you. You've made 2 consecutive finals. It's bronze here from New Delhi. How are you feeling right now?
我觉得这场还是做的不错的，也能，因为毕竟前面也很长时间没有国际比赛了，然后这次出来，感觉在整个动作上都能检验最近的那个训练成果。一帆吗？
She said he did a good job during the competition because for this year she didn't join any international competition. So this time she feel very good to. This is like an exam for her for this year. She training a lot and now she get the bronze medal. She feel very happy with herself.
As you mentioned, you haven't been at too many competitions this year, and of course you are a young athlete, just 21 years of age. What have you learnt from this competition that you can take into next year for the new season?
我觉得这也是一种经验吧，可能这一场或多或少会有一些新的问题出现，这也是后期能够给我训练当中，可以去解决有帮助的一些东西，
She said she can learn a great experience during this competition, and also she can find some problem during the competition. So for next year, she know how to do during her training season and start a great competition next year.
Well, congratulations again today on the bronze, World Cup final bronze here in New Delhi, and good luck for next season. Thank you.
Thank you.